How to create Google Form survey questionnaire. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Form survey questionnaire step by step. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or just making a quick quiz, Google Forms make it super easy to create and share surveys, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. You can do this by either typing Google Forms into Google or going directly to forms.google.com. Now, if you're not already signed in, simply sign into your account and you'll be taken to a new dashboard. Now that you've created your new form, the first thing you'll want to do is give a title. For example, you can give a title like customer feedback survey or even registration form. You can also add a description to tell people what the form is about. Now to add questions, simply tap on untitled question and here you can add a topic. Also, you'll see a variety of question types you can choose from, like multiple choice, short answer, check boxes, drop down, and more. Let's start by adding a simple question. For instance, what is your age? Then select the type of question you want. For this one, we'll use short paragraph, and then we'll enter the options. To make your survey more interactive, you can add images or videos to your questions. Just click on the image icon or video icon on the right hand side of the question. You can also make certain questions mandatory by simply toggling the required option at the bottom right of each question. To add more questions, simply click the plus button again and repeat the process. You can mix up the question type based on what information you want to gather. You can simply choose to ask the question whichever you prefer, and also the type of answer. To make your form visually appealing, you can customize a theme as well. Click on the palette icon at the top to change the form's color, choose a header image, or even change the font style. Once you're done creating your form, it's always a good idea to preview it to make sure everything looks good, and tap on the send icon to publish the form. And that's it, you've successfully created your Google Form survey questionnaire.